Tuesday, February 4th. This was our camp spot for the night with the van. First night in the van was it was alright. A little lumpy on the cushion, but it was overall good. This was our view. We stayed at the Waitomo Caves top 10 holiday park. We're gonna head over across the street, I guess at like 7:30 to eat breakfast, and then we're gonna head to Natasha and her friend Jennifer wanted to go to something called the Toothbrush fence, which had something to do with the movie Flight of the Conchords. So beautiful sunrise this morning. I head to Rotorua. Little note on the camper, our chili bin doesn't work, and then the starter's starting to go, so I called them yesterday, and we're going to have to meet a mobile mechanic in Rotorua, so hopefully he can fix this up. We're at the general store at Waitomo Caves. Tasha got the eggs Benny, and I got the eggs on the toast. Tasha's gonna drive on the left side for the first time. We're gonna go down the hill here and do a 40-minute nature walk. It's supposedly one of the best walks on the North Island.
Look in there, but it's not open yet.
I guess this is one of the rivers that come out of the cave. Look how close that water is. So after crossing the river, we headed up a bunch of stairs and we came to a very nice little surprise. We have this cave here. So I was looking around on it and I was like, okay, how do we get around this? Well, you actually go through it. One of the things on the other side of this is a little side loop that you can do as well, which we did. And so we got to see some added scenery and look at some of the fauna in the river and the trees and just beautiful, lush and green. And then we came off this site. Ugh, fire.
Wow.
What's down here?
Wow.
Look at this. So after our beautiful 45-minute nature walk, we headed north. We had a detour back to go to the Toothbrush fence. Took us about an hour to get there. Like for the Concord, there's a homage here called the Toothbrush fence. That's what we're gonna do right now. Look at all these toothbrushes.
Yeah. Here. My toothbrush.
So after our little detour to the Toothbrush fence, we headed back east, head towards Rotorua. Hey, this is hilarious. So our GPS tells us to come down this Hams Road, and it's under construction, and one construction flag guy told us to go, and the rest are like waving their hands to stop, so they're resealing the road. So we're going slow, we're taking it stride lapping. So before we left the Toothbrush fence, we decided to go to Wai-O-Tapu, and that's where we were heading going into Rotorua. Hey, we are at the Wai-O-Tapu Thermal Wonderland, coming into the visitor center. And it is hot and sunny out, so we're slathered in sunscreen. We're starting our tour of Wai-O-Tapu. So this is 90 minutes. And it smells like sulfur. It smells like rotten eggs. See the steam coming off the, it was hot, going into the river. Coming up on spot 2 here. Oh wow. Alright, apparently the GoPro battery died. Let's see, we got spot number 3 here. Oh, that's a stinker too. That's a hot bubbly one. This one, you can hear it. The sign back there said these mud holes will full with unrefined crude oil. It stinks like it. Feet out here for a minute, so walking slow on this stretch because it's like 80-81 degrees outside, and this is wide open spaces. Since it was an extremely windy day, it made recording my voice extremely difficult, so I'm gonna leave most of this here with video and pictures, and where I can let the commentary come through, I will. So enjoy. on the green trail. So yesterday we had caves, today we had a nature walk. Pond. Apparently this was an old crater that got filled in. Modar and Lord of the Ring fans, the sign says the sounds from this crater were recorded to create Foley. These were then featured in scenes of Modar in Lord of the Rings. Look at that green. So we're staying at the Holiday Top 10 in Rotorua tonight. So that way's kitchen and a TV lounge, toilets and showers. And they actually have mineral baths here. And then they have a regular swimming pool. So powered, non-powered sites, changing rooms. Pretty cool place. Infamous Pig and Whistle. We're just gonna walk. It's like a 20-minute walk instead of driving. This is a big rugby academy and field here. Beautiful day here. And yeah, gonna get some dinner. We're hungry. Tasha got the Caesar salad with the watermelon soda. I got a pear soda and half an order of fish and chips. Look how big this is.